Hello everyone, so today we are going to be making, excuse me, Dakgalbi from Jinny's Kitchen. Right? If you guys have been watching season 2 of Jinny's Kitchen, they go to Iceland and they make hot soups and hot foods that is super popular in Korea. They have like galbichim and yada yada yada. But when I look at it and I think what would I order? I think I would have ordered either the bibimbap or 매운 갈비찜, or number one pick is a dakgalbi, but that didn't come out till a little later. But I would have ordered the dakgalbi and it also looks super good. So I wanted to make that and show you guys how to make it. I literally stopped the show to get his recipe. So we were making it per his recipe. I did change the ratio a little bit so that it fits a 1 or 2 serving because he makes 40 servings and we are not making 40 servings today, guys. You can if you want. I'm really excited to make it. When I went to Korea, my favorite thing I ate in Korea was dakgalbi and makguksu from Chuncheon. I think that's why I would have ordered the dakgalbi. Not only that, but it looked so good. And I think that the ramyeon that they made on the side was supposed to be the makguksu. Can't wait to try this because I haven't tried it yet. I'm trying it for the first time. But let's get started. I'm gonna turn on the light because it's so gloomy outside today. Is that a little better? Whoa. I think this is better though. Okay, here's the thing. I do have the whole thing figured out, like the ratios, but I'm just gonna eyeball it. We have some crushed garlic and ginger, but we just need a little bit. A little bit of sesame oil, that much, some black pepper, need a little bit of curry powder. I learned that in Korea they add curry powder to dakgalbi. Some oligosaccharide. If you hear anything like weird, it's the can't talk right now. The laundry going around. We have some matsu. And this ingredient here will help with the smell of the chicken, any gaminess. Same with the ginger, the garlic, the black pepper, all of that, the curry powder. Next I have sugar, dark soy sauce, and next we have this red chili pepper powder. So it's a finely ground one. You see here. And last but not least, gochujang. I am using my grandma's gochujang that she made me. Tastes so good. And now we're gonna work on our chicken and vegetables and all of that. So let's get started with cutting the chicken and cutting the vegetables. Oh no, I just realized I didn't bring the green onions from my sister's house. But I think it'll be okay because we have chives. Goguma in Korea is so good. Oh my gosh. Still remember because I love going in the winter time so that I can have 붕어빵, hotdog, goguma, roasted goguma on the streets. Literally there's honey coming out of this goguma. You can cube it up, or I'm gonna do like longer strips like this, but also not make them too thick. So if you watch Jinny's Kitchen, they actually boil this first so that it cooks faster, but we'll just make it thin. I'll do minced chips too. Okay, this is a smaller onion, so I'm just gonna use the whole thing. Unless I'm being crazy. Actually, I should use half. So we'll chop this into just bite-sized pieces. They use slightly bigger chunks, which I think I like, just so you can bite into it. That's true. Now I'm bringing you guys over to the stove so we can start cooking this. This is for the ramen. I'm gonna wear an apron because I'm gonna get gochujang all over my shirt. Put the fire on this. And then they add some oil. I'm using my avocado oil spray. And they just throw everything in. The chicken goes in. Everything. The sauce. Add in our sauce. And also some water. I'll say anywhere from like a fourth to a half, but I would add a little bit in the beginning and then add more if needed. Also, a lot of the water will come out of the vegetables, so don't have to add too much in the beginning. Make sure everything is well coated, and we'll get working on our ramen next. I don't have a good lid, so we're just gonna have to make it fit in here. It's a pot that my cousin from Korea brought me. Let's go grab a ramen. I'll just take you guys with me. Bubbling all over the sides. How much liquid there is already. It's all from the vegetables. It's all over the For the noodles, they have to be slightly not al dente, like a little bit more cooked, because the moment it hits ice cold water, it gets slightly harder. It's kind of almost like the cooking process goes backwards. Okay, we're gonna add the noodles in now. Some soy sauce. Sesame oil. A little bit of sugar, some water. Give it a quick mix before I add in the kim. Oh my god, I feel like this by itself is gonna be so good. So we're gonna add some seaweed flakes to this. Guys, it's done now. I mean, this was actually pretty quick. I just gotta get plating, gotta figure out what plate I'm gonna use, and then we're ready to eat. Hot plate. Dakgalbi. Once the sweet potatoes and the chicken is fully cooked, we're ready to eat. Okay, so I'm gonna plate. Then we add more Dakgalbi and the chives. down the middle too. Oh, that looks so good. Dakgalbi and all of this ramyeon. Oh my god, let's feast. It looks so good.
Wow.
Right? Doesn't it look exactly like it?
It does.
Now we get to try what it tastes like what they got to taste. Even though I wish that I was there.
It would have been cool to compare the two.
It would have been, but we weren't in Iceland. Okay, you want to try it? Or are you busy? We are gonna try this, guys. It's gonna be so good. We finally get to try Jinny's Kitchen food. Mmm.
Oh, that is good.
Oh my gosh,
Very
you know,
good.
the chicken's so good. Why am I blowing? It's not hot. Mmm. Sweet potato.
We don't even have to go to Iceland.
Did you try the chicken?
Mm-hmm. That's the best part.
It's so good, right? What do you think about Park Seo-joon's sauce?
Park Seo-joon, I think you did a fantastic job. You have my approval. Not that you need it.
Wow, it's so good. Combination. Let me know, guys, if you want me to make other dishes that he made, because I would love to try it out. Oh, especially the tibak. That looked good. The dessert. This is such a good idea with ramyeon. Thank you guys for watching. Leave down in the comments below if you want me to make more meals from Jinny's Kitchen. And I'll see you guys on my next video.